Skin health, wrinkles and lines. Alan Wannitz, nutrition expert. I did a comprehensive video on skin health, wrinkles and lines, how to build your collagen, how to hydrate your body, how to get your cell regeneration. Cells regenerate at 20 years old. It takes 20 days to regenerate. At 60 years old, it takes 65 days. It takes double the time to regenerate, which means your skin gets older and it doesn't get better. Collagen helps to fill in the fine lines and wrinkles. And there is a peptide, a special substance that the body makes that at 20 years old is very high volume, 200 nanograms per milliliter of serum, which helps produce collagen. That's why a 20-year-old a young person looks pretty and looks beautiful. At 60 years old, it's gone more than half, gone down to 80 nanograms per milliliters. How do you raise it? So I explain how to raise it using these patches, X39, how it works. And what are the other methods that have been used which don't work as fast, and why X39 is a better option, and what are the supplementation and what is the diet to take. So watch that video to get a full understanding of how to improve your skin using nutrition, off junk foods and using patches. So watch the video and you'll learn more about your skin.